It's...
What is it?
iPhone 6.
Okay, let's start giving other presents to people.
Harriet.
Harriet.
Um,
Louis, who's that for?
Louis.
No, read
Mark
it.
and Annie.
Read it. What does it say? No, don't open it. It's to give to someone. Who do you give it to?
Louis. Dad.
Read the label.
Mark and Annie.
To
Mark
Annie
from
Annie.
Mark.
Merry Christmas, Annie.
Thank you, darling.
What's the passcode?
5345.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's lovely.
Do you recognise
I
it?
do, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's very lovely.
Into bedroom, Dad.
Louis,
It's a
there's lots more. Lots more
Hi,
coming.
Harriet. Hi, Harriet.
Bye, Louis.
Do you have a...
Now, but before we have a look, have a little read of the label.
Mark and Annie.
To
Annie and Mark.
from
Louis.
Mark. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Harriet. Harriet.
What's Mummy got? Oh, Mark, it's gorgeous.
My...
Do you recognise it?
I
Hello,
do.
Jericho. Hello, Jericho.
Cute.
Hello, Jericho.
Hi, Louis.
Louis, what's this big
A
box?
pro.
Is it?
Yeah.
It might be a box of bananas.
Can they fries?
Fries.
Pro. It's a pro. Or... iPod Pro.
I don't know how to do this one.
How many gigabytes? Lou?
32. Into bedroom.
Put it with your friend, with the device friends.
Is it time for Daddy to get a present, Louis? Do you think?
I think it's time for who to get a present.
Me.
What is that, Lou? What's that?
iPod Touch 6.